Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we've got some new parts for your classic Ford Bronco. First, we now offer a new glove box door kit for the 66 to 77 Bronco. Made exactly like the Ford originals, they are the perfect replacement for your worn, bent, or rusted door. This kit comes complete with the hinges that attach the glove box door to the dash. A new set of hinges will help fix any alignment issues from years of abuse. In addition to our new hinges, they come complete with the hardware. Our hardware kit includes 2 oval head screws for the latch, 4 U-clips for the glove box door itself, 8 flathead screws, washers, and star nuts to attach the hinge to both the door and the dash. And if your original door is still good, we offer the hinges, the hardware kit, and the check cable separately. So if you're restoring a classic Bronco, you can find these and many other quality restoration parts at dennis-carpenter.com.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.